Hello dear friends and students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be telling you the complete syllabus for the subject Information Technology, and the subject code is 802 for grade 12th. So here you can see that class 12th session 2020 to 2021, that is this year, the complete CBSE board examination of Information Technology, subject code 802 syllabus. So the examination will consist of total marks 100, theory will be of 60 marks and practical will be of 40 marks. Now let us see that what will be coming in the theoretical part. So first is unit, that is part A. It will consist 5 units, that is communication skills, self-management skills, ICT skills, entrepreneurial skills and green skills. So this part A consists total marks 10. Then there is part B, which consists total unit 4. Unit 1 is database concepts, unit 2 operating web based applications, unit 3 that is Java, and unit 4 that is work integrated learning IT. So part B total consists of 50 marks. So part A and part B total marks 60, and this is the theoretical part. Now comes to practical part. Practical part consists of 40 marks total, in which practical work, practical examination will be 15 marks, written test will be 10 marks and Viva Voice will be of 5 marks. After that there is project work, which will be of 10 marks. So total examination will be of 100 marks, which is distributed in two parts, that is 60 marks will be of theory and 40 marks will be of practical. So this is the updated syllabus of this session of grade 12 Information Technology, subject code 802.